Hi, Mr. Davis. My name is Kate. I'm a respiratory care student, and today I'm going to show you how to use your oxygen tank and connect a regulator to it, and also show you how I connect a Thorpe tube to the wall here. Okay, first I'm going to wash my hands really quick. Alright, and I'm going to grab my tank. It's in a secure position. It's in this device here that we can go ahead and wheel around. I know that I'm grabbing oxygen for you since you're using your flow is 2 liters here, and I know it's oxygen because it's a green canister here, and also you can read the label here that it's oxygen, so we want to make sure that we have the correct gas. So to connect your regulator, I want to show you here that we use the pin index safety system, so you need to make sure you have the correct pins. Each regulator is different for different tanks, so this is for an oxygen tank here, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that the pins connect securely in there, and then we'll tighten it. I want to show you the pins and the O-ring as well. When we'll go ahead and take the plastic off of this oxygen tank. We can see that they have a little spare O-ring that can be in there, and just in case there was a leak, and we could go ahead and replace the O-ring there on the oxygen tank. So I have my regulator, I have a wrench. I'm going to go ahead and put the regulator on, securing it with the pins here. Okay. Make sure it's nice and tight. Take a break and make sure it's nice and tight on there. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and crack the tank. You can hear it. We'll turn it on. All right. You didn't hear any loud noise. Usually you have that more with the H tanks, but this is just an E cylinder here. So we can also just make sure that it is flowing. There's no obstruction. You can hear that the oxygen's on. All right. So the next thing we're going to go ahead and do. I want to read that I have 2,000 psi, so the tank is full, and with that, we can calculate how long this tank will last you when you're out and about. What you want to do is get the pressure, so it's at 2,000 psi. We're going to times it by the cylinder coefficient, would be 0.28. For an H cylinder, it's going to be 3.14. So, but today we're going to use 0.28 for this E cylinder, and then we're going to divide it by the flow. So you're using it, your flow is at 2 liters here. So we could go ahead and, if we did that math really quick, you would do 2,000 times 0.28 divided it by 2, and we'll do that real quick here, and that would equal 280 minutes divided by 60, so roughly 3.5 hours this tank will last you. Okay. I want to make sure that I'll show you how to go ahead and take this off. So the first thing we're going to do is shut off the gas here, and then I'll let it bleed out. You can see that it's bleeding out, the pressure is going down, and when it's all done, you'll hear that there's no air going through. And it's quiet, so we'll go ahead and take off the regulator here. I also want to show you a Thorpe tube over here. You can see that we have our wall outlets. There is oxygen is green, air is yellow, and the vacuum there is white. So this is a Thorpe tube. It is a compensated Thorpe tube that we'll be using, and we're going to go ahead and put it into the wall here. Same thing, making sure the pins are correctly there. Now I'll show you, let's see if the it's connected properly. You hear the flow. You can see the ball goes up and there is a flow going. We'll shut it off. And to release it, you're just going to hear a loud noise. We're going to press the button, and there you are. That's it. Thanks.